Hi there. My name is Jonathan, and I work on our customer success team here at Dashbot. And work closely with all of our Fortune 100 and Global 2000 companies, specifically with helping them understand their conversational data, gathering insights as to how the bot is performing for their business, and finally, strategizing with them a roadmap for their entire conversational journey. And I want to make this video because I found a lot of interesting trends with the clients that I work with, but also with the industry as a whole, specifically when it comes to the challenge of understanding their conversational data and their user's journey. So let me set some context here. Let me set some background. When businesses invested in conversational AI as a result of the pandemic, they increased the number of channels that customers can communicate with them. But as a result, they began to drown in conversations. One, not having the proper solutions and analytic tools to understand this data means that all this information is essentially lost into a black hole. Now, why is it that the traditional analytic solutions don't really exist? It comes down to their paradigm, right? A lot of these solutions use events and that data model to understand different snapshots in a user journey. For example, if a user is opening your app, if they are hitting certain website links. The difference is conversational data is comprised of language, which is a very complex type of data, right? There is a meaning, there's sentiment, there's richness, there's context. And for you to shoehorn conversational data into a event-based paradigm, you lose all the richness and all the meaning from that conversation itself. Let me give an example, with this photo here. Right, this is a bouquet of roses, and I zoomed in here so you don't actually see what's happening in the full photo. And this is essentially what event-based paradigms do. They show you a snapshot of an event, but you don't get that full picture. You can't stitch together that user journey. And so this is a chaotic image, but it's to demonstrate that a conversational analytics solution needs to be able to understand the richness of a photo, give you full color, but also allowing you to understand that entire context, that entire picture. And so, what are some of the challenges that I notice these companies are facing? Well, one, they have no idea how to set a roadmap. And the reason they can't set a roadmap is because they don't understand what users are talking about, right? Not whether it's from a message level or if it's holistically, what are the topics that users want to talk about with this conversational agent? And furthermore, how can they actually understand the bottlenecks within the conversation? At what stage do customers get stuck? And so, in my next video, I want to talk about how we can understand the signal from all of this noise, from all of this messiness, right? Conversational data is inherently unstructured. So, how can we apply structure to this and understand our users and their journey, but also understand what this data actually means? And I'll chat about that in my next video when I introduce the conversational data model. Talk to you then.